Dear students and their respected parents, myself, Dr. Sri Prabhu Gulabrao Chapki, Principal, Srimati LRT College of Commerce, Akola. My message is limited to the students of Srimati LRT College of Commerce only. Today, I wish to share very important issues related to university examination, university practical examination, and submission of assignment. Today, we are living in the crisis arising out of COVID-19. I hope that you all are safe, staying at home and preparing for examination and competitive examination also. First topic we take up regarding university examination. Now all students are more worried how the examination is conducted, when the examination is conducted, and who is going to conduct the examination. In the COVID crisis, if we want to avoid spread of COVID-19, keeping social distance is most important. So I think it is not possible for the university to conduct the examination by keeping the social distance. So I think, this is my personal opinion, the examination will be conducted at the college level. University will direct us. Now, how the exam is conducted? It is online basis or it is offline objective basis or offline descriptive basis. That depends upon the recommendations of the committee constituted by Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. It consists of 4 Vice Chancellors and Director of Higher Education is the Secretary of that committee. Report is yet to be come out, as well as University Grant Commission, means the chairman of the UGC has appointed expert committee under the chairmanship of Professor R.C. Kuhad, Vice Chancellor of Central University, Haryana, and it is expected that the expert committee should submit the report regarding the delay in examination, how the examination is conducted, and regarding the preparation of academic calendar. So, the recommendation of these committees, opinion of these committees will decide how the examination is conducted. But my personal opinion is that examination is conducted at college level, and it is better to conduct the online objective basis. Sometimes online examination may be conducted. We will receive the direction from the HRD, and accordingly the HRD minister's direction from the HRD ministry and the recommendation of the committee appointed by Governor of Maharashtra, then this recommendation will be forwarded to the university and university will direct us. So, how the examination is conducted only we can predict now. No line of conducting the examination is yet decided. Now, third point is that when examination is conducted. After lockdown, examination is conducted. I hope that lockdown will end on 4th May, but it may be extended further if the situation is not controlled, if the spread of COVID-19 is not controlled. In Maharashtra, particularly Mumbai and Pune, there is a more crisis of COVID-19. So, if the lockdown period is extended, then I predict that examination shall be conducted in the month of June and July, when the new academic session starts. So this is related examination related information. Now, academic loss. In many colleges, in many universities, syllabus is not completed 100%. Maximum it is completed 75%. Means 3/4 syllabus is completed, 1/4 syllabus is yet to be completed. So colleges is providing study material to the students. College teachers have uploaded videos on college website. Our college website is www.lrtcc.org. So I urge the students to go to the college website. There is a link, and if you click on the link, you will find more videos of examination related material. So we are providing online examination material to the students for the completion of the remaining portion of the teaching, as well as when the test examination was conducting, at that time questions for assignments are given, topic and problems for practical examination is also given. So my college students are ready for submission of assignment. I am sure they have also ready for appearing the practical examination. Practical examination is conducted by the college. There is a external from the university. For this time, internal and external examiner will be from the same college. So whenever lockdown is over, college will conduct the practical examination. College will collect the assignment from the students, and we are trying to complete the remaining syllabus by providing the online material to the students, as well as some teachers have conducting the test by using Google Classroom app. So test is being conducted, examination material is provided, so college is ready, and I directed all the teachers to set the question paper. If the university asks us to conduct the examination, then we have to conduct. We must be ready. So our questions papers are ready. Our teachers are ready to conduct the university and practical examination. I hope that all the students of my college are safe. They are taking care of. They are staying at home. They are living at home, interacting with the parents, sisters and brothers, and living very happy life in the crisis of COVID-19. I wish all the students best of luck. God bless you. Don't worry. We are with you. We are for you. So don't worry. I urge the students and students and their parents. Please don't worry. We are for the students and we are taking care of. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.